Good afternoon, Rob Sattler from OneMonroe. I'm a manager at the Ira division. There are 4 areas that are key for our business. Number 1 is CNC machining. We have a whole line of CNC machining centers in the shop here. And the other side is assembly. So we can do machining and then assemble for our customers. We can also do design and build of things such as robot end of arm tools, pallet fixtures, work holding fixtures for customers. Finally, we have a CMM department for our own in-process inspection. Customers who need inspection, certification of details, or assembly. Our prime example, what our shop was set up for a number of years ago, was customers who had pallet fixtures for such things as engine, transmission, or rear axle assemblies. Nowadays, the pallet fixtures are putting together electric drive motors for electric vehicles. We're using the same types of technologies for the new vehicles that are out there. It's very interesting. But the pallet fixtures are highly precise and they come in quantities of maybe 20 to 500 for a system. That's a really good project for us. Robot end of arm tools are another really nice job. Our customers can do the engineering, and it's something that they can hand off to an outsourced company like us with great confidence. We finish, give them something complete that they can hang on their robot and they know it works. We have fantastic confidence by our customers in us, in our capabilities to do this type of work. We also do assembly and test stations. We can design and build those or build them to the customer's specifications. And we can do all the parts, pieces, commercials, assemble and test here.